Just one reason why Ben Mayengane's beef song to Mr. Post and Tim Shirimani was cut short. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelwa Gingirikani. The fact that you are here, it means you like this kind of things that I'm doing here on the channel. Please do subscribe and also hit that subscribe button. So today we want to talk about also don't forget to purchase the t-shirts for Nkanelwa Gingirikani, you know. We are trying to support the channel, you know. That's the only way we can support the channel, by purchasing one of these t-shirts. Just email, WhatsApp, call, whatever. Okay, don't call. Whatever you can do so that you can support the channel. Oh, that's me. That's the only way we can actually make money. Don't mind my nails. I did the nails. So, one reason why Ben Mayengane's beef song to Mr. Post and Tim Shirimani was cut short. Because most of you, when Ben Mayengane released Malambani album, everyone was like, okay, well, they were waiting for the song, obviously. Everyone was waiting for the beef song. And Ben Mayengane did deliver. The good thing about Ben Mayengane is the fact that he does deliver for his fans. You know, he gives them what they want. And I think that's actually a very good strategy, to actually give people what they want. So he gave them what they want, because obviously people were waiting for the beef song. Beef, and again, many people were a little disappointed. Many people had questions as to why the similar very cut short. And then so I did my digging and I found out that actually that song originally was almost 32 seconds. No, that song originally was 32 minutes. So it was 32 minutes long, but then it was cut short because of one reason, just one reason. You know, guys, lokomon au mesa CD, when someone does a CD not a minute later thing, it can only run until those minutes. So usually it's 80 minutes, I think, any compact disc. 80 minutes ya familiar kuri the simulator thing alalo kuhlangana 90 minutes atona ti endla 80 minutes, right? So because of the beef song le I le ma 32 minutes, shindleke ku swiboheka ku similar tsemiwa river a short one, because after hinda la and the and compact disc sika CD after 30 minutes I think ata ringana se ati hinda la. So that's the only reason why that song was cut. The reason is because of the fact that Resimlere aren't album say iba ile hakutla mpimo wa CD, so ashinga ringanil, so they had to cut the beef song. Why did they cut the beef song though? Because we wanted to hear more. Maybe they could have sacrificed 3 songs, 3 tracks. You know, we know it's 12 tracks usually. An album is 12 tracks. So maybe I understand why they couldn't cut the other songs, because look, it's about 2 or 3 songs in a 12 tracks already. So Shindagu, your offering is no longer an album. It now becomes a mixtape or an EP. And Ben Mayengane ngesama umesati EP, umesati single, not the album. So it will be something new kuba aya umesa an EP kumbe a mixtape, you know. So maybe it made sense kuri why about the meaning. But then mina I feel like maybe lokabayo and lagu ba umesa album yiri one ebe ba edaba and that beef song iba a single atlelo kushinga kata na album kuri at least nga compromise duration ya album, because usually it's 80 minutes, and then logo hima koba washa a beef song shindle kuseshi hinda liar. We can only wonder akurna yini landed. You guys, I wonder who was beefed more. Maybe na recona ISTV. Who knows? But scrub beefy wala. Oh guys, so yeah, so that's the only reason why Ben Mayengane's song was cut short. That is the only reason. Do you have complaints? You know, mitu angara afena umese single as well. Kumbeshana indle kahle kuba retsemini. You know, kumbeshana afana tsemete simtungwana tlhelo. Asiyale rare heleri, you know, I just think we misligetsa kuyini. Mina nto ngari maybe afana and leswaku a humesa single album va tlhelo ku ri at least ku ri nga compromise because right now a hi swi tivi ku ya humelela yini hi rona swineri ya ku ri ta tlhela ri huma futhi na hi hetiseriwa xitori lexiya na cause loko i yingisele xitori lexiya ha fike laha ka ku va nghena ringing va kha va ti olola va mbalamba leswi swa vona va kha va hi nyika matimu ya Didlimbeta na Hlaude Gupta hala tlhelo guys Ben Mayengani a fana a ya khuzela xibakele kumbe bolo ka radio honestly speaking xisele xa khuzela hi so that is my only take. So it's unfortunate that we actually didn't get the full song. I would have liked to get the full song. I don't know what is in the full song, but hey, who knows? Maybe we could not perform. We could not chat on man like Gingirkadi. We could not use what. Tell us before we saw what tell go before we what polo, you know what convoy, I Steve, could caterpillar. But I don't think Benching respond like a caterpillar. Come a caterpillar icon Ice Steve. So I don't know what you guys think. I don't know. So the guys in Pansakalo can that shoot. I mean, I concerned like this. That thing, you know. Look, Muslim offender. My family me avona want the video. Nikesongo kwa mimi nangtin. Kan kanelo gingan. With me lagara. Nikalu ekes dot. Nyora. Salute. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and also purchase one of these t-shirts. It's only 250 ntsena I support the channel ya Mandla Gingirkani. Eko ana ayakeri ndawu liwa adotrela mahala so hi lava something you know ku at least ku swi booster na pa xa light pa camera you know ku hi kota ku improve production ya hina ku xana ngechi na background ya hina la me support nyana hi supporteni ga ke stars salute mi nga titimeli